Good morning everybody, welcome to the vlog. Another week of lockdown, another frosty morning, and today I'm heading to the opticians to pick up my contact lenses. My opticians is in a small place called Castleford, and it's the same opticians I've been going to since I grew up. Now, I've never really bothered to change it because I like to go there once every year just to see how the town has changed. Except today, because apparently there's been quite a lot of flooding and the road may be closed. So we may be on a bit of a detour. Hopefully not. Please let the road be open, otherwise I have a massive detour. Well, there's a lot of crap on the road. I have to slow down for this big puddle. Come on, dude. Thank you. Oh, there's crap all over the place. Whoa, so much blooming water there. So high there. Get our mask game on. Off we go. Just stopping off to get Camera Shy Mum and Farrah a little treat. And off we go. On our way back home now. But how about we go have a look at these floods? Wow. There is a bridge. So there's a rather complicated mechanism under here which lifts the middle of the table when you pull it apart to extend it. It hasn't worked properly for quite some time, but before I give it to charity or give it away, I'm going to attempt to fix it. How hard can it be? So we got a little bit sidetracked because the garage is just a bit of a mess, and if I put the table in here by itself, it's just going to block everything up. So just doing a quick bit of boarding out so that we can organise this garage a little bit better.
That was tiring, but I didn't even move it that much. I just lifted it up.
It's super warm in here. It's always warm in this room.
Isn't it? Why?
Time to relax with a movie. Garlic bread with cheese. Oh, I need to hold that for that. And a half and half barbecue chicken and Hawaiian.
This is a half. Now, try again.
And if you're not working